Hello everyone, I'm going to read this book. It's Your Peace. It was dinner time again, and Daisy just knew what her mom was going to say. Before she even said it, "It's your piece," said Mom. Daisy looked down at the little green balls that were gaining up on her plate. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. Mom signed one of her usual signs. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding," said Mom. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding, and you can stay up for an extra half hour." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding, stay up for an extra half hour, and you can skip your bath." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 10 puddings. Stay up really late. You don't have to wash for 2 whole months, and I'll buy you a new bike." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 48 puddings. Stay up past midnight. You never have to wash again. I'll buy you 2 new bikes and a baby elephant." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 100 puddings. You can go to bed when you want, wash when you want, do what you want when you want. I'll buy you 10 new bikes, 2 pet elephants, 3 zebras, a penguin, and a chocolate factory." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you a supermarket stacked full of puddings. You never have to go to bed again ever, or school again. You never have to wash, or brush your hair, or clean your shoes, or tidy your bedroom. I'll buy you a bike shop, a zoo, 10 chocolate factories. I'll take you to Superland for a week, and you can have your very own space rocket with double retro laser blamers." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you every supermarket, sweet shop, toy shop, and bike shop in the world. 17 swimming pools. You never have to go to bed again, or go to school, or wash, or brush your hair, or clean your shoes, or clean your teeth, or clean your hamster out, or tidy your bedroom, or put the videos in yourself, or get dressed. I'll buy you Africa, and 92 chocolate factories. We'll move to Superland. You can have all the space rockets you want. I'll buy you the Earth, the Moon, the stars, the sun, and a new fluffy pencil case." "You really want me to eat my peas, don't you?" said Daisy. "Yes," said Mom. "I'll eat my peas if you eat your Brussels," said Daisy. Mom looked down at her own plate, and her bottom lip began to wobble. "But I don't like Brussels," said Mom. "Exactly," said Daisy. "You don't like Brussels, and I don't like peas. But we both like pudding." The end. Thanks for listening.